Baking soda is excellent against blackheads. The granules can take away the things that clog your pores. Aside from baking soda, you'll need fresh water. When mixing baking soda and water, the paste should be thick and spreadable. Rub the mixture on your skin in small circles. Wash well with cold water before patting dry. Moisturize after. Don't overdo it. The high level of pH in baking soda can dry out your skin. Subscribe us to know more health tips and home remedies.